G'day guys. Well, it's been a couple of weeks now since we had our Ecosafe wastewater treatment plant installed. We still haven't got it connected to the house yet. There's been a couple of delays with us having to move the fence, and we've got to move a heap of the trees out the front and that sort of thing as well, or plants out the front, all for approval process. And then the plumbers were supposed to come the other day, but we had to postpone those because of a lot of rain as well. So it's actually a beautiful day now, it's turned into it, but we had a lot of rain the last few days. And one of the things that Ecosafe say about was there's going to be some settling after the backfill around the tanks, and so as part of the contract they make you aware of that, which is fine. And so then they say it's your responsibility to backfill and, you know, level back off again. Well, I wasn't expecting so much subsidence, might be the term for it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So the ground here is still really soft, even walking on it. But when they finished, this was all level and all smooth, and I cannot get over how much subsidence there has been. It's just phenomenal. And the bits that I'm walking on at the moment, it's like quicksand, some of it. So that's, you know, 400 mil in some spots, and even deeper in a couple of spots where the water's now sitting. I'm just amazed. I certainly expected some settlement, absolutely, and like I said, they let us know, so I'm certainly not, it's certainly not their fault. It's just the soil type and being the clay soil. So they were good enough to pile this sand here for it, to put that in, but I might put some other clay and stuff in it as well as I fill it back up, because I'm not sure all that sand will fill it up. And you know, we've got that other mountain of it there that they leveled out, but we can take a fair bit of that across. So yeah, just something to be aware of when they talk about subsidence. In this good clay soil that we have, when I say good clay, yeah, well, is what it is. This is the sort of subsidence that you can get. So yeah, quick video, but just wanted to show that. Again, it's all just about sharing information, making people aware of it. I was not expecting that. And like I said, we've had a lot of rain as well, so maybe that sort of sped up the process. I'm not sure. But yeah, anyway, it is what it is. Well, there we go, we've sort of leveled it back up again, put most of that sand back in there, and yeah, bring the levels back to where it should be. Apart from at this front corner here, that's where our inlet's going to go when we connect to our house. So the plumber still hasn't been able to make it yet. We just keep getting rained out, so hopefully early in the new year that will happen. But anyway, we keep working forward. Yeah, so that's why I haven't filled that big hole still there. So thought, well, I'll leave it like that at the moment, and then when the plumber's finished his bit, we'll backfill as much as we can and use that little bit of sand that's left over, not much there. And then I might have to get some more topsoil as well. We'll just see how the sand settles with the rain and that, considering we get quite a lot. So as you can see, we've done the electrical, it's connected up now, but doesn't help that it's not connected to the house. So well, there we go, guys. I picked the hottest day of the year so far to do this, but so sweat is just pouring off me. Time to go and get a cold drink, I think. But that's all we've got for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. God bless.